70 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡು 40 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ?
My lord, 1 crore 59 lakhs. And the total dues are 1 crore 59 lakhs. And my lord, so there, that particular representation we have considered
And
at
rejected.
page 135, my
And
lord.
rejected.
Yes, my lord. And rejected because it's not even the principal amount. My lord, he has availed loan of even 70 lakhs. And he has in fact received subsidy, my lord. Subsidy of 18 lakhs. There is no mention, there is no whisper of that.
Subsidy, all right.
But he has received subsidy from the horticulture department. This is he has availed a loan under the floriculture scheme, where the horticulture department in fact gives them the technical support, and he has got a subsidy of 18 lakhs. There is no whisper of that. There
All
is no
right.
mention of that.
Next.
So, my lord, he has made several representations to several other departments, copying being issued to several departments. There was no specific figure he had quoted. And then he had approached this honorable court and he was allowed to make another representation, fresh representation. That representation he has made in January. And Annexure N is the endorsement rejecting that, my lord, because he has made a representation for 40 lakhs, which does not even come within the principal amount.
My submission is, my lord.
Lord, there is no, yes, my lord, there is no scheme this year, my lord. In fact, it was there last year, it was there before. So he's not eligible for any scheme. So OTS is to be considered on case to case basis. And there is security of both the residential property as well as the agricultural property. We have made that clear, my lord, at para 2, lord, at page 135 and 136. We have made it clear that even the agricultural land, he is only considering the residential property. But there is agricultural land. We have filed OA. OA is pending. In fact, it's there for evidence. They are not representing. So all those, we only want them to revise their offer, my lord. It's not.
Yes.
My lords, my submission is, it is a polyhouse loan. The subsidy which is they are speaking, I have not received a single rupee in my hand. That
That's
subsidy,
okay.
my lords,
Give it, don't worry.
I was defrauded by the corporation bank official. It is not my single case. There are 14 people. I'm producing the,
Register crimes against them.
my lords, but the NPA is 6 years. 6 years they have slept over it. They have not issued any notice. Only in the year 2020.
When did it turn into NPA?
2021, my
But
lord.
producing the bank statement.
So that is only a part of the bank statement, my lord.
They're not-
2021, it turned into NPA.
Yes,
Oh,
my
my
lord,
lord,
because
16, I'm filing the affidavit. I'm not paid a single rupee.
no, I'm
In both the
producing
cases.
the
Yeah,
entire statement.
with pride, you're telling you're not paid a single rupee. Yes.
What I'm saying is, I went to the bank immediately after the polios failed. I requested them. The erstwhile corporation bank official said that we're trying to help you out because I was not the alone. There are 14 farmers who have been defrauded. The amount was directly released into the hands of the dealers.
No, my lord. In their SP account, they have
That's
received
all
and
right.
producing.
Now, mandamus I can't issue.
My submission is, as per the direction of this honorable court, I have deposited 10 lakh rupees in the case of Imla and 5 lakh rupees in the case of Santosh. And I have put the property for auction on 27th without considering the fact that it is agriculture loan and the OTS has to be considered in accordance with the OTS scheme. Then they are not stated in my reply stating that there is no OTS scheme.
If OTS has to be directed to be considered, it is on a case-to-case basis in
Yes,
terms
yes,
of the
sir.
guidelines. That's all.
Yes.
No mandamus positive direction to direct OTS at all.
That is true, but
Yes.
but my submission is, my lords, if they say that they cannot grant it, they have to give reason. They have to consider my OTS request in accordance or in conformance with the policy which is existing. Then there is no whisper of anything. On just they are saying blindly that you are not entitled for OTS, your amount is meager. To avoid this problem, initially I had given a submission stating that.
Sir, one ನಿಮಿಷ. Who will accept 70 lakhs loan ತಗೊಂಡು 40 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ notice?
My lords,
So,
not a single rupee is in profit. I am not utilized.
it's floriculture.
Please, my
High-tech
lords.
floriculture, my
But
lord. Greenhouse.
The polyhouse is failed. I made a last.
Don't project yourself to be a poor farmer here. It's floriculture.
My lords, I'm a victim. I'm a victim of the circumstances because it is not a single case. There are 14 farmers. Not a single person has earned a single rupee. I'm not a business.
DRT ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lord.
No, my lords, I paid 10 lakh rupees before this honorable court itself.
No problem. That will be taken into your account. You go before the DRT. Yes.
My lords, the DRT is not. My lords, so kindly refer to the OTS policy of the bank of last year. What it says, page 48.
Page.
48. Page 48, annexure F, my lords. In the first case, that is 4343. My lords, they say that the case of 22, the next is of 23. There is no difference in 22 and 23. Third, my
OTS
lords,
scheme for resolution of doubtful loan, NPS so and so. This scheme is not there, madam, now?
No, my lord. The scheme was in fact floated only in 2022 and 23.
Validity period up to 30th September 2022.
There is no scheme.
Now,
my
what
lord.
is the scheme now?
Now there is no scheme, my lord, on a case-to-case basis, on the basis of internal
All
guidelines.
right.
They have
Whatever you consider is
just
case.
let them improve
My,
their
submi-
offer,
my-
my
my
lord.
submission is, my lords, I already deposited the amount as per the direction of this honorable.
ಈಗ refund ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ then what?
I'm not going, I cannot, my lords is aware of the fact that the order.
When they consider OTS, they will consider the deposit also.
So, my
my
lord,
sub-
the
my submission
deposit was for the stay. My lord, what happened? He had challenged
You
surface
bank,
action.
bank also cannot behave like this. You have 15 lakhs is with you now?
10 and 5,
10, my lord.
10 and 5, two cases.
He had challenged, my lord.
10 or 15 lakhs is with you now?
10 lakhs, my lord. He had challenged the surface action, my lord. That was not
All
for
right,
OTS.
now deposit ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ.
Yes, that we.
Deposit ಆಗಿದೆ. In case you consider is OTS, take note of the deposit also as towards payment towards OTS. That's all. It will redeem the problem.
And I'm not saying I'll stick to 40 lakhs. I'm making submission. If they show that this is the policy,
You will pay 41 lakhs.
no, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು?
Property valuation in
70 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡು 40 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
my lords, ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 60 ಲಕ್ಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ಡ್.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರೇಯರ?
No, my lords, 4343
First 4343 ತಗೊಂಡು. Writ petition 4343 of 2025. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order, an communication dated 24/1/2025 by the bank rejecting the claim of the petitioner for an OTS and seeks a direction by issuance of a writ in the nature of mandamus for grant of a one-time settlement to the petitioner. The petition, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ companion petition ಕೊಡಿ madam. In writ petition 30522 of 2024, the petitioner
My lord, one submission. 305.